Hi, I'm Veb, co-founder and CEO of Leaddelta. I'm beyond excited to be on Product Hunt again, and I can't wait to share with you what we've built so far. Leaddelta is a network manager. It stands for leadership and delta it creates when appropriately deployed. It is designed to protect you from spam and help you focus on relationships. In this beta version, we've decided to focus on the LinkedIn network. We truly believe that LinkedIn is an outstanding network of professionals. It is a digital representation of jobs created, talent, loads of smart people, and great content. But LinkedIn gets a bad rap these days. The minute you connect, that connection turns into a handshake to pitch. Your inbox is full of unwanted messages. You don't have an elegant way to organize your first-degree connections, and most of this is pushing users away from the network. We wanted to fix that by introducing a whole lot of productivity tools that are as compliant as possible with LinkedIn's terms of service. Unlike many other LinkedIn apps, we're not hiding nor pretending that LinkedIn doesn't exist. We want to help make it better. Today, 6 months in, Leaddelta is used by over 1,000 professionals from all walks of life. We see serial entrepreneurs who would like to bring structure to their contacts, such as groups of investors, top clients. We see digital creators such as podcast hosts and community managers, C-level executives and their chiefs of staff. We see designers, product managers falling in love with the network again. We also see recruiters, marketeers, sales reps who are tired of mass automation and want to focus on relationships instead. Although I precisely aimed at these groups of professionals, seeing its actualization just blows my mind every time I look into the user base. All right, it is time to check Leaddelta. In versions 1 and 2, Leaddelta is envisioned as a Chrome extension. We are currently looking at the most popular feature, tags. You can use tags to organize your connections the way you want, whether it's based on location plus the industry filters, perhaps pipeline stages, or groups of contacts such as top clients, friends, investors, etc. Now, let's search for Product Hunt tag to filter a few connections. First time when you sign up, you will see the Connections tab, which is the tab we're currently looking at, and you'll perform a sync that will take 10 to 20 seconds to bring all your first-degree connections in this table view. Then the auto update begins, where we will slowly update your connections data and their contact info. In Sean's case, there is no contact information because he chose to hide it from his connections, hence Leaddelta won't present it. It is important to note that Leaddelta only deals with your first-degree connections. You can apply filters and sorting. You can find groups of people that match your criteria with numerous conditions such as tags, whether they have a note applied or not, whether they're already contacted or not, the industry, you can search by company or by headline, location, and so much more. With Leaddelta, you can also one-click export all your selected connections into a CSV file. We think that you should be able to save your time and energy on recurring messages too. With the help of custom and pre-made templates, you will be able to do just that. Templates not only work on LinkedIn, but they also work on Gmail, Facebook, or any other app with input fields. Which brings me to personalized messages. If we go back and look at our 4 selected connections and we click send a bulk message, you will be able to reuse any of your templates and send the message. Sometimes you just want to send a message of a similar content to groups of people, and we think that's fair, as long as it's not spam. To prevent spam, we only allow essential personalization such as first name and last name, and you can only send up to 25 messages at a time. Notes. It is challenging to keep all of your connections and people you interact with on a daily basis. It's just hard to keep them on track. So by having custom notes, I can actually figure out who's this person, how we connected, or if we're really good, what are the next action items for the next Zoom call. There's lots of other features. If we select our connections again, there's more actions. You can disconnect, you can hide and hide, you can remove tags, and you can also follow and follow. I think following and unfollowing connections is now more important than ever because a lot of people create content and some content is less relevant than the other. And you just want to keep your feeds properly organized. And there's lots more. Here's just the gist of what we currently have and what's coming. We are committed to shipping new features and updates weekly. In addition, everything we do needs to be aligned with LinkedIn. Now, please refer to our roadmap for the next set of features and development. And do not hesitate to contribute.